Hi, I'm Emma, I'm a Hobbycraft artisan and I love everything and anything crafty. Today I'm going to show you all the techniques needed to make a cute geometric pot. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel by clicking the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Tools that you will need: clay tools, rolling pin, clay, scissors, acrylic paint, paint brushes, cardboard tubes, decoupage medium. You will also need cling film, pencil, ruler or tape measure, a small pot of water, some fine sandpaper, masking tape, greaseproof paper and a drying rack. First we start by working out the circumference of the cardboard tubes. Draw out a rectangle as a template. The length should be the same as the circumference of the tube with an additional 5mm. Cut one rectangle template 6cm wide and the other 9cm wide. Take the clay out and knead it. Then place the clay between two sheets of cling film and roll out to a thickness of 5 to 7mm. Cut the two rectangles out from the clay. Wrap the clay around each of the tubes. Press the ends together and seal with a little bit of water. Be careful how much water you use. If you add too much, it can cause the clay to crack when it's drying. To make the base, place the tube of clay back onto the remaining rolled out clay and press down gently. Cut around the tube of clay. Add marks around the edge of the base. This will hold the two pieces together. Place the clay tube onto the base, and then use a little water to smooth out the edges. Do the same with the other pot. Gently ease the tube out of the clay. Do not leave the tube inside as drying, as this would cause it to crack. Place the pots upside down on some non-stick paper and onto an airing rack. Each pot will take around 5 days to fully dry out. Once dry, if there are any rough edges, you can sand your pots gently with some fine sandpaper. For ease of decorating, putting masking tape on the outside of the pots to create a geometric pattern. Paint each segment created by the masking tape. The beauty of it, you don't have to be too neat. Once the paint is dry, slowly remove the masking tape to reveal your art. Paint a layer of decoupage medium on the outside and inside of your pot to add gloss and make the pot more water resistant. Your pot is now complete, you just need to add your plant.